In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a toggle switch button in WordPress the easy way. Toggle switches are a fantastic way to enhance the interactivity of your website, providing your users with a smooth, modern way to make selections, like turning a setting on or off. It might sound a bit complex, but I assure you, by the end of this tutorial, you'll find it straightforward and rewarding. Let's begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your website's control center where all the magic happens. Once there, look over at the left-hand menu. We're going to hover over Plugins and select Add New. This section is crucial, as it allows us to introduce new features and functionalities by incorporating different plugins. In the Add Plugins page, you'll notice a search bar in the top right corner. Click on it and type in WP Dark Mode. This plugin helps us achieve the toggle switch function easily and efficiently. Once the search results appear, locate the WP Dark Mode plugin. It's usually the first or second option displayed. Go ahead and click Install Now, and after it's installed, you'll see the Activate button. Click that, too. Activation is key because it integrates the plugin into your website, making it ready to use. With the plugin activated, you'll be redirected to the WP Dark Mode settings page. This is where we can customize how we want the toggle to function on our site. Don't worry if this page looks a bit daunting at first, I'll walk you through it. Click on the General Settings tab. You'll see a variety of options here, but the one we're interested in is Show Floating Switch. Turn this on by clicking the switch next to it from off to on. This floating switch will be the toggle on your site that users can click to activate or deactivate whichever feature you're working on. After toggling on the floating switch, scroll down until you see the Display Settings section. Here, you'll have a couple of customizable options for your toggle switch, such as style, position, and icon. Feel free to explore these settings to match the appearance with your website's aesthetic. Keep in mind that these customizations are what make your toggle stand out, enhancing user experience. Remember to hit Save Changes before exiting this page to ensure all the modifications are updated. And there you have it, a toggle switch is now added to your WordPress site using the WP Dark Mode plugin. This simple yet effective tool not only adds new interactive dimensions to your website but can also serve practical functions, such as letting users toggle dark mode, adjust site settings, or personalize their browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy WordPress tips and tricks.